Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E32s, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. Now to get started, simply pull down your notifications, extend the list, and in here you'll find a Do Not Disturb toggle. For me it's right over here. Hopefully you can find yours in the same exact place. Now once you see this toggle, hold it first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how it functions. So I highly recommend checking out things like the people, which will allow you to select who can call you or message you. Schedule, which will allow you to set up an automatic schedule so it turns on and off at a provided day of the week and time. And also duration for quick settings. These are some of the more important settings that I would consider for people. So touching upon the last one that I mentioned, the duration for quick settings, this one allows you to choose what happens when you press on the toggle. Now this will be extremely valuable for people that tend to forget to disable their Do Not Disturb mode once they're done with it. By default, when you toggle it on, it will be running indefinitely till you turn it off yourself. But if you tend to forget about it, then I recommend selecting time-specific one and maybe just increase the timer to something like 4 hours as an example. Confirm it, and this will now mean that every time you tap on the toggle, it will turn on for exactly 4 hours. As you can see right here, it tells me that it's going to be running until 9:44 p.m., which is 4 hours from now. So there we go. And for people that are planning to use it on a schedule basis, just make sure that the schedule is toggled on in here, and that's all you need to do. And going back to the toggle, as you've seen, all you need to do is just tap on it to turn it on and off, like so. Now with this being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.